Yo, so Apple released a new iPhone. It's called the iPhone SE, and apparently it sells for around $400 to $500, around 20 to 25,000 pesos. It's like their entry level iPhone. And since nandito na tayo sa US, and malapit lang dito actually yung yung Apple Park, yun yung parang circular building ng Apple, and they have a visitor center there. Dadaan tayo doon and we'll try to buy ourselves the brand new iPhone SE. So, tara. Before that though, we have lunch with a former client. So I used to work in advertising. Sa mga kliyente ko noon was actually Google Philippines. And yung country head ng Google Philippines back then was Ryan Morales. So he's here. Kain kami sa Nobu over at Palo Alto. And just, you know, a great time to catch up. By the way, shout out to Mr. TJ Manotok, the Bureau Chief of ABS-CBN here. Nakapag-burger kami kahapon. Sarap, sobrang panalo. Babe, anong pangalan ng restaurant? Super Duper Burger. Kung nandito kayo sa US at tatikman nyo na yun, comment down below para makita ng mga tao what others think of that burger. Pero anyway, tara, punta na tayo Palo Alto. So Tesla daw susundo sa amin. Again, ang dami palang Tesla dito, no? So abangan natin, Tesla Model 3. Ayun, I think that's a ride. Tesla Model 3. Let's go. Woo. Babe, kaway ka. Juno, kaway ka. Yun! So guys, we're here at the Apple Visitor Center dito sa Apple Park. Si Juno, by the way, used to be an Apple employee. Ayan. What's up? Diba? So, tingnan natin if we can get the new iPhone. Si Juno naman will buy a brand new MacBook. Wow! Let's go! So cool. Parang siyang Apple Park na tote bag. Yung nga. Yan yung strap niyo. Yeah. Pero magkano kaya yan? So that's Apple Park over there. Apparently we can't go in. So this is the visitor center. Second floor. Parang siyang viewing deck. O game, ano yung binili mo?
Ito. MacBook Air. Yan.
Boom.
Boom.
Bakit mo binili yung Air?
Kasi I've had the Pro for so long, and I think dahil magaan for usability, para madaling...
That used to be your laptop din, no, babe?
I think it's still my... No.
Naka-Air ka ba ngayon? Pro? Yeah. Oh, pero ang gaano, tinan mo?
Oo nga, yeah. Oops.
Ano yung config na to? 8 gig 256. Oh, M1 na siya.
Niloko naman nila ako eh.
Ba't sabi nila hindi M1?
Sabi nila hindi to M1.
Ayan ang nakalagay yung M1 chip. So mas okay na yan.
Oo nga.
Oh, surprise.
Hindi nila alam. I didn't even know.
The M1 chip is like yung processor nila na maganda. So optimized talaga siya. Oh, diba? Ito naman yung sa akin. Nabiktima ako na Apple. Meron tayong iPhone SE. I also bought the SE silicone case. So yan sila together. Total damage nito mga nasa $500 plus. So with tax and everything mga nasa 30,000. Kasama na rin to isang $25 tote bag, Apple tote, white rainbow. So yan, unbox natin yan pagdating sa saan ba tayo? Saan ba tayo? sa hotel yan. Tadam! So nandito kami sa saan tayo? Infinite Loop. So ito yung original HQ na wait, kunin ko yung bag ko. Dito tayo sa original HQ ni Apple. Kasama pa rin natin si ex-Apple employee Juno.
Si ex-Apple.
Diba? So nandito yung original visitor center. May tawag ito?
No, this one's the store.
So basta an Apple store in the Apple HQ. Nanggaling na kami dati dito ni Mrs. So dahil ito daw yung favorite Apple shop niya. Tingnan natin siya ulit. You know, one infinite loop.
Off namin po yung camera, security camera. Tabi nga namin.
Tada! One infinite loop dito sa Apple. Bebo. Yun, hindi naka-video ko dito. Mamaya tayo mag-picture, tingin muna tayo sa loob. Yeah. So yan yung Apple Store dito sa One Infinite Loop. Ganda na sapatos ni Juno. Off-white dunks na he got for retail. Come on. You know. Wala dito yung Hermes. Apple notebooks. So are different colors and different sizes siya, no? This one's nice. 25. Parang Moleskine lang. Send yung water bottle. Ito yung meron tayo dati, di ba? 35. 1.5 lang. Oh, baka you want? $35 for an Apple water bottle. So yan yung shirt designs. Itong cute lahat na icons nila.
Ano kayong size ni Daddy yan?
Guys, take a look, oh. An all-black Tesla. Bam! Looks so cool. Angas. Parang triple black ultra boost lang. Di ba? Pero ito Tesla. Ganda, oh. Ito, bro.
So guys, we're here sa nitrogen ice cream, cold run here in San Jose. So it's nitrogen infused ice cream. So yun ang ginagawa doon. Papakita ni Carlo.
Woohoo! Let's go! Grand opening cold run. Okay, so ito yung sa akin. Ano to? Salted caramel with sprinkle and pretzels. What? Ano yung sa'yo?
The cauldron. Para siyang vanilla cinnamon with Oreo.
Tapos yung sa'yo?
Some double shot chocolate with mga flakes and walnut.
What? Yung sa akin yung pinaka-pambata para ako nagsa-second childhood. Yan ah.
Lambot, di ba?
Ang sarap ah.
Lambot, di ba?
Lambot niya.
Oo nga. Ano?
Okay, so we're back here in the hotel. Unboxing lang tayo ng mga nabili natin from Apple. Okay, so unang-una sa lahat, we have this tote bag. So this is the Apple Park tote bag which we got for $25. So medyo overpriced to para sa tote bag, pero we just bought it primarily as a souvenir because it's not every day, at least for me, that I get to visit, you know, the headquarters of one of my favorite brands in the world, which is obviously Apple. So tingnan natin ang itsura niya. Comes in this plastic, and then yun. Ganda. Simple lang, nakalagay lang Apple Park. Tada, nakalagay address sa likod, tapos nakalagay yung parang, kasi ganyan yung itsura ng headquarters nila eh, parang siyang giant donut. Sabi nga nila parang UFO donut yung Apple Park eh. So yun yung una natin binili. The next item that we bought obviously is the new iPhone. The reason why I bought this, apart from being able to review it, is we needed the phone na we could put like a local SIM card into, kasi tumatagal na ako dito at medyo nauubos na aking data allocation from roaming. So yun, this is the new iPhone SE. This is in the 128 gigabytes configuration, and this is in the black color. So yung selling point talaga ng iPhone na to is it is one of the cheapest iPhones, more affordable ones that you can buy brand new. Like what I mentioned earlier, this iPhone sells for just, if I'm not mistaken, a little over $400 something. So yung total na binayad ko for everything, including the tote bag and the case that I'm about to show you, is 30,000 pesos. So yan yun. It's the new iPhone SE. Isa lang yung camera. Pero ang ganda tingnan, no? iPhone na iPhone pa rin yan. Another thing that we bought was the case. So this is the matching iPhone SE case. By the way, before I get to the case, pansinin nyo, kasama na lang dito yung kable. Wala na yung charger. Wala na rin yung earphones. So hiwalay na yun. You'll have to buy that separately. That's the thing with Apple. I guess in the name of trying to be more environmentally friendly, at the same time, ang laki ng natitipid nila at lumalaki kinikita nila because of that. So it's, yun yung kagandahan nun. So anyway, so yeah, here you go. This is the case. You put it on the phone. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Very clean, very simple, super nice looking, very elegant, classy iPhone that you can get for just 30,000 pesos. Everything na pinakita ko sa inyo included. So yun, that's actually it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out again to our good friend Juno. Shout out to Richard and Jeremy, the Apple employees who assisted us, who turned out to be Filipino. In fact, ang nakakilala sa akin was si Richard kasi I saw he was wearing a Jordan 3 Ama Manye, which is my favorite Jordan 3. And I told him, hey, your kicks look sick. And then he asked me, are you Carlo from YouTube? Ooh, o, di ba Pinoy pala siya. And then he invited one of his other co-workers, which was Jeremy. And then he went over, and then yeah, we had this picture taken. Pakita ko lang sa inyo somewhere here. So yeah, shout out to all of them, and I hope you guys are all doing fine at the Philippines. I still have a couple more days left here in San Francisco, so expect a few more vlogs coming from the Bay Area, including our last outlet episode. So we did Gilroy, we did Great Mall. We're going to do Livermore, which is like the best outlet that you can shop in here in the Bay Area. So with that said, I hope you guys are all fine. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.